Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening File Explorer with Windows plus E, which gets you into the file system fast. Once done, go to the View tab and check Hidden Items so you can see folders Windows normally hides. Make sure you understand Appdata lives inside your user profile, see /users/your name/Appdata, so replace your name with your account. This reveals local, low, and roaming folders. Keep these facts in mind, because they determine where specific app settings and caches reside. Next, use quick paths to reach Appdata precisely. You can press Windows plus R and type %appdata%, which takes you straight to the roaming folder. This is where synced settings typically live. Alternatively, click the Explorer address bar and paste /users/your name/Appdata to reveal local and low as well. Make sure to change your name to the actual account name. Understanding why matters. Roaming follows your profile across devices. Finally, locate the specific file or folder inside Appdata by using Explorer's search or typing part of the file name and pressing Enter. This speeds discovery. If you get an access denied error, make sure you're using the correct user account and check folder permissions. You can close the app that might lock files or restart Explorer as needed. Also, always back up files before editing them because some settings are critical. If changes break behavior, restore your backup to recover quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.